Hey guys, it's Arcade and I'm back with another video, and today we are gonna take a look at the new service by WA Production. So it's another service where you pay each month and you get a bunch of things for music production. And in this one you get sample packs, you get one plugin each month, one new plugin each month, which is pretty great. You get 10 DAW templates for FL Studio, Ableton, Logic Pro, 10 templates, full projects every month. You get access to video tutorials, so you can watch this video that explains it all, and it's $29 a month, but you can start your free trial now, so you'll get a free trial for 7 days. So yeah, check out this page to get some more information. So once you start your free trial, it will look something like this. You'll get to the membership area, and here you can check out everything they offer. So here are the DAW templates. We can start browsing. Here's the plugin of the month. This month you'll get Puncher, so you can just download it straight away if you have the subscription. Then here are the sample packs. Basically each month there will be 3 new sample packs. This month it's dubstep, new disco and rhythm. Actually probably gonna check out the new disco pack, so you can preview it by clicking on it and check out how it sounds. So yeah, really nice sounds. New disco is actually getting pretty popular right now. So here you have the specifications for each pack, if you want to check that out. Then there's the secret vault, where you can access even more sample packs and free stuff. It looks something like this. There are a bunch of PDFs about music production and more construction kits and sample packs that you can download for free. Also, you can join their Discord group and a few other things. Then you can check out the audio courses, which are video tutorials on how to make music. Here's how it looks. There's lots of videos on different things like music theory, mastering, how to make trap style, really nice professional videos. Like for example this one, just click on it, and if you have the membership you'll be able to just watch the videos for free.
Hey guys, in this video we will be talking about drops, as I promised.
And here is Roman showing you how to make future bounce drops.
Promised.
Yeah, that trumpet was actually pretty cool, so definitely check that out as well. You also get some discounts on some of the plugins and more free stuff here. You can download some cool sample packs as well. So my favorite thing about this service is probably the DAW templates. I really like to play around with like pre-made projects. You just load them up. It's a song that's pretty much finished, but you can just have fun and change the melodies and change the sounds and kind of create your own thing. And it's really fast as well. So let's browse some of these. And here you can see top 10 templates. You got FL Studio, you got Ableton, and I'm sure, yeah, there are some for Logic Pro as well. And you can just check them out. So let's see this Future Bounce FL Studio project. And you can just download it, and of course it will go straight to your computer and you can open it up. So you'll get these if you have the free trial. So if you wanna check out all these FLP projects for free, just sign up for the free trial. Let's actually open one in FL Studio. So yeah, I like this one. I actually already downloaded it, so I'm just gonna open it. And you can see it actually requires you to have a bunch of plugins, and I don't have all of them, so the project doesn't sound exactly the same, but it's more or less the same. I downloaded it, opened it in my FL Studio, and here is how it sounds. Simple as that. You have pretty much a full song here that you can edit and play around with. Check out how everything works, which is really nice. When you download it, it looks like this. You got all the samples along with the FLP file. You got all the MIDI files, all the presets, and the stems as well. So you don't only get the FLP file, but also a bunch of extra things. Let's actually try to make a really quick song, basically change all the melodies in this one, and have our own sort of thing. Let's check out the main melody. Everything is nicely laid out. So let's delete this melody and have our own thing. So yeah, here is where you need to be creative and make your own melodies. I'm just thinking of something real quick. So yeah, this sounds like a pretty good melody. So let's keep that, copy it over here. Okay, then we have the chords. So that will be a bit more complicated. So I'm using the same root notes, same melody basically, but creating the chords. So it's really easy to create chords. You just take the first note, then you skip 2, put a third note in, you skip 3 and you put a fourth note in, and you get a chord. And if it doesn't work, just change the middle note one up or down. So yeah, we got the chords ready to go, and then take the melody again, put it in the bass. So yeah, I skip one note here just to make it more interesting, and then this melody. Just like that. Do we have any more melodies? Actually, this vocal, which won't work because it's a loop. And so if we want to take it a step further and use the vocal as well, we can definitely do that. Just record it as one shot here. Let me do that. Just this. Which key is this? Yeah, it's G. So where did we put it? I lost it. I lost the vocal. Okay, here it is. So it was G, right? Or was it G sharp? It's G sharp. So let me just take the vocal. Root notes G sharp. It should be on slot 1. Take the main melody and copy it over to our vocal, which I lost again. Oh my god. Where's the... Oh, here it is. Quick legato. And now we have the vocal in the song as well. Okay, it's pretty good. I would add some reverb on it, so let me just do that. Okay, let's hear the drop now. So yeah, and as you can see, in a matter of minutes, we pretty much have our own new drop, and it's kind of cheating, I guess, but you can do this if you want, and if you edit it a lot, then you're pretty much gonna have a completely different song. Me personally, I don't see nothing wrong with using FLP templates if you don't just straight up like take them and release them as your own. If you make your own song from the template, I think it's fine. So yeah, if you wanna get this template or any other, check out the link in the description. You can start a free trial on this platform and get these FLP files if you want to. I hope you enjoy seeing me review some of these new platforms for sounds, so make sure to leave a like and check out this platform if you want to. If not, then I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.